Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen. And tonight I've cooked up a nice little vegetable side dish. This is peanut, broccoli, and red pepper stir fry with some sesame seeds thrown in there. Yeah. Okay, so look at that. Got the broccoli in there, red bell peppers. So I'll done it up in a fantastic peanut sauce I make up in the kitchen here. And then sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on at the end just to give it a little extra something, and nice little dish. Oh yeah. All right, let's go to the kitchen and make some of this right now. All right, so here's the ingredients for our stir fry. Well, across the front, I've got 3 cloves of garlic thinly sliced. Got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've got half a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. You can actually get these pre-toasted, really nice. I've got here's 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I've got 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now, I like the sesame oil because it just adds that different flavor. But if you don't have sesame oil, you can do this with olive oil. So 2 tablespoons of either sesame oil or olive oil. Over here, I've got a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and it's a creamy peanut butter, not the chunky, but try both. The chunky could be good too. And then here I've got 1 onion, coarsely chopped. Back across the back here, our main vegetables. Well, I've got 2 red bell peppers, coarsely chopped. I want big chunks of it. And then I've got 1 head of broccoli. And what I've done is I've cut little florets. So if anything was bigger, I try to cut it down to about this size. I want them all about evenly sized so they're going to cook evenly. So first thing we're going to do, I've got my pot over here. I'm going to get that sesame oil going in here. Bring that up on medium heat. And then, well, I'm going to add in a couple things here. We want to get the onion going in there. Get some salt in there. And the broccoli. So good. It's a bit of a load in there. Usually I'd go about 5-6 minutes if I was just doing the onion. But with the broccoli, I'm going to go 7 to 8 minutes here. And just want to soften up the onion, soften up the broccoli a bit, and then we'll be back. So see you back here in about 7 to 8 minutes. Probably going to go the full 8. All right, so I cooked that for the 8 minutes. Just soften up those onions. Kind of got that broccoli started cooking. It turns a beautiful green too when it gets to this point. Love it. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in red bell pepper and the garlic. I cooked that for about 5-6 minutes. We're still on medium, stirring around every once in a while. Make sure everything gets evenly cooked. Whoops, piece of onion overboard. All right, so see you back here in about 5-6 minutes. All right, that's been going for just about 6 minutes. Gonna let it go for just a little bit longer because what I'm gonna do right now is mix this together. So got a bowl here. Let's throw that peanut butter in there. Come up, nice big chunk. There we go. All right, it's the peanut butter. I want to add the soy sauce. Add that first. Just mix that in. Well, it might be easier to mix at this point with my bigger spatula. I can just kind of smear it across. Yeah, it's getting there. All right, that's come together. Gonna add in the cornstarch. We'll get that mixed in well. All right. Now, get this off to one side. Get that mixed into here. All right, that's good. Yeah, mix that in. I'm gonna cook this for about another 2-3 minutes while I'm mixing this in. And then that's it, it's gonna be ready. So see you back here, 2 to 3 minutes. All right, that's it, it's been about 2 minutes. It's looking good. I've got the peanut butter mixture all throughout. So what I'm gonna do now, sprinkle on those sesame seeds. Give them a quick mix in and we're ready. All right, there we go. That's a nice little side dish for dinner tonight. All right, if you like this recipe, well, stick around and check out the channel. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley recipes here. I'm always making these up. You never know what I'm gonna come up with next. So do make sure that you're subscribed and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on something special. Now, go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.